Hello guys, welcome to Quarter 2, and today I will be showing you the motherboard and a totally disassembled Toshiba. Totally means I have taken out the manual settings. Do not take out the the monitor display because I don't want the monitor case to be loose. If the clips get broken, I don't have that to happen. So this is Toshiba Satellite C660. So this is the fan, the heat sinks are connected to power, and this is the power button, and you just see I want to press this power button, fan is going to turn on. Currently I do not have the hard disk connected, so let me connect it. Let me just turn it off. Let's stand off. This is where you plug in your hard disk or your system. So guys, I have plugged in the hard disk, as you can see. Turn it off. So this laptop originally came with Windows 7, but after so this 11-year laptop, so after some time the Windows 7 got broken down, so I had to install Ubuntu, and Ubuntu is the only one which works on this thing. I mean, yeah, Windows 10 also runs, but it's pretty slow. Because I have got Ubuntu installed on this. See, the fan is not running. We can take the fan and see. Oh man, it blows a lot of work. It's kind of like becoming hot. Don't have the touchpad, and I was considering that's a mouse and a keyboard over here. I mean, I'm thinking of taking away these keys and putting it here, not in wooden box, something like that. And it's a cool idea, but I will be able to do that. I might post a video in the future. Well, let's see in the future. Okay, there's one problem, that is I don't have the Wi-Fi, and I got another yes, this is another Wi-Fi card from another Toshiba laptop. I don't know whether this has got Bluetooth or not. I understand why this has got this extra long, cause this small and this big, this half mini, and this is I think full, something like. I mean, it's becoming hotter. And I have cleaned it. This is the third time I'm disassembling this thing. Bundle must have loaded. Oh, okay. I think I got a big problem. I won't be able to log into Ubuntu. Okay, that is actually a big problem. So guys, let me just put this thing into laptop again, because I won't be able to log into Ubuntu without having the primary built-in display. So guys, I have put the motherboard and everything back into place, and okay, I think this must be how the Wi-Fi cable is plugged in. Black over here, white over here. No, it's turned on and see. Come on. So guys, everything is back in. Okay, forgot the fan. And everything. Let me Take the file back, please. So guys, everything else is back in place. Now you can see the LED light. Let's load if they are coming out of the fan. Here we got Toshiba. Okay, I'm gonna continue the accessories. And I'm thinking of putting this Wi-Fi card over here, but there's a problem. When the case comes in, it will hit and this thing will bend because there are capacitors over here. So that's a big problem. Actually, this PC was made in 2010, so it's pretty very old laptop, 11-year-old laptop. It's working without any problem. I mean, I had another Toshiba laying around and I took the RAM out of it and plugged in it and installed it on this laptop. So that's why I'm having right now 4 GB, and Ubuntu with 4 GB on this thing runs very smooth, no lag, no issues. Fan is turned on. I mean guys, the first time this laptop ever has been disassembled, that's by me, I saw a large amount of dust over the fins, so full blocked out. That's why it was overheating. Now it does not have any kind of overheating issues. Let me just log in my account. I mean, Toshiba laptops last pretty long, I think, and those are very reliable. Does not have any issues from my point of view. Let me just here, then put the system on top. I mean guys, when this laptop is turned on, no applications are open right now, and you see out of 3.6 GB, so I have got 4 GB installed. I got 4 GB of RAM installed over here, and I will get 3.6 GB, but out of 3.6 GB only 1.3 GB is being in use right now. I got swap memory of 8 GB, and CPU usage not that very big amount, under 50 I will say, so pretty smooth. And yeah, I don't have speakers currently connected, so without turning this laptop off, I'm gonna install this Wi-Fi card. So wait a minute, let me take my stand out and place the phone somewhere stable, and let's see. So guys, up to now I was recording the the video with one hand and doing one-handed, doing this, all this, plugging all this in with the other hand. It's actually kind of hard to do like that. So guys, you can see Wi-Fi card. Let me show you. There's no Wi-Fi now. I'm going to plug this in. Wi-Fi came back, gone, came back, gone. So now I'm gonna install this one, big one, and let me see. Wi-Fi came, gone. Wait a minute. starts right now. Let's start. Let me see. Okay. Let me install this guy. Mm. Screw. So. Okay. So let me plug in the cables. Oh god. Okay, so I got the other Wi-Fi. So guys, I got Wi-Fi, but I know that I got Bluetooth. Let me see. Okay, Bluetooth. So guys, I don't have Bluetooth. Thought that I will get Bluetooth, but I will not. I'm gonna keep it this like this open for some days. Guys, I will be showing you a detailed video of how a laptop's inside looks like. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching this video.